What's up, YouTubers? You know, I've made a video, quite a few videos about tires that I bought for my other truck and my Ford here. And I bought these Ironman. They're E-rated tires. They've got about 4,000 to 5,000 miles on them. If anybody can tell me if they've had this experience or what's going on, I would appreciate it. But great rubber. It's not wearing anywhere, but it's almost like it's getting a slight raise every other tread or something, because they've got about 4,000 or 5,000 miles on them. They're starting to howl. They're getting louder and louder. I don't understand it, but it, you know, it doesn't feel like it to the naked eye, but I think there's a little bit of a rise every other one or something. I don't know what the hell, but it's pissing me off. So if anybody could tell me anything, if there's been any problems with these anybody knows of, because they're wearing great. Other than that, there's no problems with the tires. I'm totally happy with how they're wearing and running and react, and you know, the technology's awesome in the tire. But why this howling is getting louder and louder? Otherwise, they're wearing really good. They don't even look like they have any tread took off them yet. So I just wanted to make that little video and say, anybody knows anything about the Ironman tire and make a noise after they've been on for a while or something, leave a comment down there for me and get a hold of me. I'm really curious if anybody else having this problem. Bob's Lawn Service Plowing. I'm out.